What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to pick a winner for the free trade idea scanners. Check it out. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this. Before we do me that quick favor, smash that like button if you like free stuff and you like my channel, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't and you're new around here. Well, as you know, last week on Friday, I announced that we were going to do a free raffle this Friday of this week, today, November the 1st, for trade idea scanners. Whoever commented on that video after they subscribed would be automatically entered into the drawing, and we would pick a random winner for the trade ideas. So what's going to happen here is we're going to pick one random winner, and this person is going to have access to trade ideas for an entire month for free. Okay, if you want to learn more about trade ideas, there's links in the description section below. You can click that. You'll see all the pricing. You'll see what the scanners are about. You can also visit some of my recaps like yesterday's, where I talk a little bit about the scanners and stuff like that. And in the future, I will do more videos regarding the scanners and how they work. Okay, those of you who don't know, these are the trade idea scanners right here. Okay, and you have everything from, high-a-day scanners like this, to halt scanners, to gap scanners, like these right here. And you can custom make these all to your liking. So today I didn't really do any much trading at all. I'm in a couple swing trades, but I don't usually cover those because swing trading is kind of newish to me. But I am in a couple swing trades. One of the swing trades I'm in is PXS, just small size. It's a shipper company. I'm also in a little bit of CTRM. It's another shipper, and we're going into November where we have traditionally shippers, make moves. Now these have earnings as well now in November, so I'll probably be out of them before earnings. I am also in another swing trade. It's doing a real nice move on the daily. It's kind of making a real nice flag formation. Let me see if I can bring it up here for you real quick. Yeah, here we go. So we got ABUS kind of flagging here on the daily. Let me move this line here so you can see it nice and clear. You got these, real nice big candle yesterday. We got this inside day candle. They have earnings on Tuesday, so we could have ourselves a little play there. It's filled this gap. It's holding that 50-day moving average. There's a lot to like, so I'm in this for a little swing as well. But that's about it. That's all I'm swinging. All right, guys. So there you go. You have all the comments here. This is the YouTube video. Free trade ideas raffle day trading recap APOP. Okay. So we got 81 likes. Not bad. And actually 2 thumbs down. Who the freaking heck thumbs down a free raffle? Psst, must be bitter in life. But we're going to go ahead and jump on this. As you see, this is the URL for this video. We're going to jump on over here. And we're going to go ahead and paste it on here. We're going to filter out duplicate as well. Duplicate comments, they'll get filtered out. Boom. Now we'll click start. Here are all the names, going around. So let's see who's going to be the lucky winner. And the winner is Mangroovy. All right, Mangroovy, you won a month of free trade ideas. Huge congratulations. Thank you to everyone who participated. Mangroovy, make sure you message me your email address so I can put you in touch with trade ideas. We can get you those scanners for the next month. Congratulations, my friend. Thank you for subscribing, liking the video, and thank you all very much for the continued support on my channel. We're up to 1.6 thousand already. The goal for the year was 1,000 subscribers, and we're already at 1,650 subscribers. Thank you very much. I will continue pumping out the content as long as you keep liking these videos, subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.